Welcome to the February 2024 issue of MSW magazine. This preview is brought to you by the No Dig Show. Register today for the April 2024 show in Providence, Rhode Island. On the cover, join Carl Vandermeiden at Cape Fear Public Utility Authority. Uncover their $650 million plan, 77% to rehab infrastructure, 22% for expansion, and 1% for enhancement. Modernizing the Southside wastewater treatment plant, replacing mains, and boosting resilience. A forward-looking approach for a thriving community. The No Dig Show is the trenchless industry's flagship educational and networking event. Explore technical papers and presentations in a vast exhibition hall. Participate in specialized trenchless training courses, enjoy engaging networking programs and events, and witness the recognition of excellence through prestigious industry-related awards. Register today for the No Dig Show at nastt.org/NoDigShow. In a world where access to water is a daily convenience, join us on a journey from a remote cabin to a global perspective. Explore the impact of water scarcity and the unsung heroes ensuring clean water for all. Meet Ed Motley, project manager at Upper Trinity Regional Water District. With 43 years of civil engineering experience, he spearheads a $490 million reservoir project, Lake Ralph Hall. Discover the colossal dam, 32-mile pipeline, and Motley's commitment to secure water for a rapidly growing North Texas region. Explore Richmond International Airport's cutting-edge Concourse B apron expansion. Led by Highway Paving and CPNY Inc., the project features advanced drainage systems pipe, ensuring efficient stormwater management and FAA compliance. Witness innovation reshaping airport infrastructure for a sustainable future. Discover the nuanced dynamics of Generation Z in the workplace. As they reshape organizations, their idealism and tech-savvy nature collide with challenges. Dive into how water and sewer utilities can align with Gen Z's passion for purpose-driven work and navigate the evolving landscape of employee expectations. Navigating work zones is no easy task. Meet the unsung heroes, the flaggers, who are responsible for safety. Trained to perfection, they ensure a smooth flow, confronting potential hazards with professionalism. Discover their vital role, facing challenges head-on for the success of every work zone. Explore the expertise shaping pipelines and dive into innovations and reliable solutions from industry leaders in the pump sector. Meet Chad Wilbanks, director at the Water Tower in Georgia, redefining water research. Explore their innovative project using rehab Municipal's reclaimed pipe. According to Chad, durability and ease of use were the biggest selling points. Discover Mueller's game-changing valve, the Henry Pratt P77 bidirectional knife gate valve. With sealing prowess and stress reduction features, it redefines reliability in handling tough slurries. Thank you for watching, stay safe out there, and see you next month.